In estate planning, we're often presented with this reality of price versus cost. And what I mean by that is the price is generally the effort and the investment that you make when creating a strategy, and the cost is what it will cost to your family after you're gone and when they're in a position to have to implement. And so often we have this sort of sliding scale of investment or price versus cost when it comes to the type of planning that you engage in. Most people come to our firm and expect simplicity because their circumstances are very simple. And so they expect a simple outcome will mean a simple plan. And sometimes that can be the case, it's often not. When we create a very simple will, for instance, it can result in a more complex outcome when you pass away. And it's because wills have to be probated in order for them to have any significance, any legal authority. And so while we've saved some in the investment, we have a lower price, it can often result in a higher cost at the end of the day. It's going to require things like a probate fee to be paid. That's a tax on the actual personal property that you're passing from yourself to your loved ones through your estate. It can result in substantial delay. On average in North Carolina, the probate process will take about 12 months or longer, depending on the complexity of your assets. And some may think, well, I don't have much, so it won't take that long. That's just simply not the case. It often will be no less than 6 months, even to get through the very basic processes of probate. And then finally, there's the attorney's fees to assist with probate. Most people just don't know what they don't know and haven't gone through probate before. And so they're inevitably going to be hiring a probate attorney or law firm to help them through the process of probate. And often the average attorney's fees for a probate will be somewhere in the $7,000 to $10,000 range, depending on how long it takes and depending on where you are. And so sometimes we will save or incur a much lower price in the creation of an estate plan, but it can have a pretty substantial cost in the end. Estate planning is really choosing that reality. It's really understanding what the process looks like and being very intentional in what you're choosing to leave for your family. Efficiencies in low cost, or maybe delay or burden in a high cost. It's time to take control of your legacy. Click the link below to start the process.